fun.
That's what I really wanted.
Sorry.
Here.
I guarantee
I need to know my next.
There you go.
That's what we'll get ready.
Yeah.
Here.
Call you like the queen and everybody know why I say
What is that? That's from
Ooh,
Sissy.
Put it in my bag. There
that's
you
from
go.
Sissy.
I was looking for that. Hey, from the upstairs.
Tell her thank you.
Open this.
We will at home. Tell her, what do you tell her?
There's another one. Oh, here it is.
I know.
There you go. Here, Ethan. Oh, we have that
Ooh.
Oh, from Lola and Lola. What do you say? Okay, more clothes. There you go. Next.
There's your card.
I got the same one. It's the
One
exact
50 items. I was gonna wrap each and every
Open that
one.
bag, man.
You wanted 50 items. Cool.
Have you already seen these?
Yeah.
Open this.
We will at home.
Okay, we done?
I think so. Say
Okay.
thank you, everybody.
Say
Say
thank
thank
you.
you, everybody. Hey.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, here's the last one. Now, your birthday is really tomorrow, so Mommy and Daddy, we have a special surprise for you. And it's at home. And we have to put it together first.
And we couldn't
you
bring it to the
can
park.
Use it. Here's your card. Yeah, you can't drive the card, right? Okay. But it's a surprise and you're going to open it tomorrow, right? Okay? You're looking for the car? Does it sound like a car? Uh-huh.
He's like, where is the car? I don't see it.
It's a surprise.
Okay, say thank you, everybody.
Ethan, look at Mommy.
No, not that one.
Look at Mommy. Okay.
Say thank you, everybody.
Say thank you very much.
Thank you for inviting us, Ethan.
Yeah.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look at Mommy and say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Here, face Mommy. Because you're a nice boy. Face Mama.
What'd you do?
I chew all the cake.
Yeah, just in the back seat somewhere. Yeah. Ooh, we're all right.
Maggie, what'd you do?
There's some balls. Megan, what'd you do?
I just put it back with the... I just put it in the...
I want to go upstairs.
Okay, that's...
Mommy's gonna ride him first and then you follow next, okay? Me first, okay?
Oh, don't give us up.
Come on, buddy.
So you ride with us?
Yeah. Come here, buddy. All right. How was that, buddy?
Very much. Thank you very much. Yes, sir, I'm here.
Say bye, horsey.
Bye, horsey. Bye, horsey. I'll see you later. Open the door and say hello.
Hello.
Look at the cam.
This is hot.
Yeah, look at the cam.
Hey.
It's not too hot. You want to slide down it?
Say hola. Ethan, where are you?
Come on, I'll help you. Ooh, that's a fast slide. No, let's go look at this other one.
One, two, ready, go! What is it, Ethan?
It's a car.
You like it?
Cricket.
Oh,
It's a cricket.
it's ready to go.
Hey, say, this is my car!
This is my
Look at
car.
mommy.
This is
Come,
my
come around. Come. Okay, go ahead.
I want somebody ride with me.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Now, hold on. See the gas pedal down there? When you push that, it's going to go. So you got to be ready to steer. Okay. Whoa.
Ethan.